Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you are going to learn how you can add your Razorpay customers into Constant Contact application automatically. So guys, Razorpay is a payment gateway application and Constant Contacts is an email marketing tool. So this automation that we are about to set up will allow you to add the customers who are sending you payments via Razorpay into Constant Contact application as a new contact automatically, so that you don't have to manually sort out the details of your customer from Razorpay and add them one by one into Constant Contact. Okay, so it will surely help you in improving your email marketing strategy, or you can say that it will help you in effectively using your email marketing tools, and it will save your time and energy and improve your productivity as well. So now let me show you how you can do this and how it is going to work. So guys, this is the flow of the automation. As and when you are going to receive payments from Razorpay, the customer who is making this payment will be added as a new contact in Constant Contact application automatically. And guys, to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of this automation that we are about to set up is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this happen. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. For that, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every month. Okay. And after that, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And here you have to set up this automation by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button. And here in this name field, you can give any suitable or beautiful name to your workflow. So I'm giving the name here. Let me type the name. So I have given the name to this workflow as add Razorpay customers into Constant Contact automatically. Now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And guys, on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of any event. So it is saying when this happens, and the action is the response to the trigger. So it is saying Pabbly Connect, do this. All right. So as in our use case, the trigger would be receiving of payment from Razorpay. And the action to that trigger would be is to send the customer as a new contact in Constant Contact application automatically. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up your trigger here. So click on this trigger section, and from this choose app field, you have to choose the trigger application, which is Razorpay in our case. Okay. This is Razorpay. And the trigger event would be payment captured, this option. So it will trigger this workflow when the status of the payment is changed to captured. Okay, select this. And it will give you this URL, guys. This is called as a webhook URL, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so with the help of this URL, I'm going to fetch the details of a demo payment that we are going to do in Razorpay, so that we can capture the demo payment details here in Pabbly Connect, and with the help of that demo data only, we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, so first of all, you have to follow these steps written here. You have to reach your Razorpay accounts and navigate to the webhook section under the settings. Okay, so let me show you. This is my Razorpay accounts dashboard, and here on the left hand side panel, when you scroll down, you will find this settings option. Click on settings, and on this page you will find this webhooks tab. Click on this tab. Okay, and here you can add a new webhook by clicking here on this add new webhook button. Okay, and here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got here in Pabbly Connect. So just copy this URL from here and paste it in Razorpay like this. Okay, and in the active events, you have to check this payment dot captured box like this. Then click on create webhook. Okay, so you can see the webhook is saved successfully here. Okay, so now what you have to do, you can see as you have copied this webhook URL from here, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. This means now you have to do a test submission or you have to make a test payment in Razorpay of any product that you are selling via Razorpay payment pages, and we are going to capture the test payment details here of the customer. Okay, so for this I am going to payment pages of Razorpay, and here I am going to select this social media marketing tutorial that we are selling from a payment page of Razorpay. Okay, so I'm going to buy this. I'm going to copy this page URL and I'm opening it in a new tab. Okay, this is the Razorpay social media marketing tutorial course that we are selling, and let me type the name of the customer as Ranjit. This is the amount, and let me type the enter the email address of this person, the phone number, and I'm clicking on pay here. So we are in test mode. You can see we are using test card to make this payment. I'm entering the test card details here. Okay, like this, and the expiry details. The card holder's name should be Ranjit only. Okay, and the code. Okay, and I'm going to click on pay here, and this is the demo bank page loading up. From here I'm going to click on success, and you will see that the demo payment will be successful like this. Okay, so the payment is successful here. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this payment, and in the response received section you can see we got the payment details as this. Okay, and so we got the amount and the currency and the name of the person like this, and the customer details are here, the email, the number, the name, and all the things. Okay, now I want to add this customer, a new customer, in my email marketing tool so that we can communicate with that person via emails in the future. Okay, and retain that customer. Okay, for this we are going to connect our another application, that is Constant Contact application, here in this actions tab. So from this choose app field, search for Constant Contacts. This one is here, select it. Then in the action event select create contact option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and then click on connect with Constant Contacts. So from this window it will ask you to log in if you are not logged in, but I have already logged in here. You can see in my Constant Contact. So it is just asking for the permission to access Constant Contacts. So click on allow here, and you will see that will be connected with Constant Contacts like this. Okay, so now it is asking for the list. So you have email marketing list in this Constant Contact application. You can see this is my Constant Contact dashboard, and here I have these two lists, the general interest list and the Pabbly list. So I'm going to select the Pabbly list from this list field. It will show you the lists here in the drop down. From here select the list, and the email address and all other things we are going to map from the first step. Okay, so here we got the details of the customer like this. Okay, so I'm going to map the details here in these fields. Okay, so when we map things, what will happen after setting up this automation, whenever you are going to receive any payment, the details will change accordingly and a new contact will be added in Constant Contact. Okay, so to map the email address, you just have to click here, and you'll find this Razorpay payment capture option in the drop down, and from here scroll down and you will get all the details that you got from the first step, and from here only you can map the email address like this. And here you can see in the permission option, it identifies the type of permission that the Constant Contact account has been granted to send email to the contact. So you can give Constant Contact the permission. These are the type of permissions. So unsubscribed or temporary, on hold, or pending confirmation, or not set, or implicit, or explicit. Okay, so these are the type of permissions you can select. And in the first names, last name, you can map the details of the customer name. Okay, so I'm going to map the name here. This is the first name. Let me scroll down a bit more. Okay. So this is the first name, or the only name I have, I think. So I don't think we have the last name. Let me check another time. Okay, so we got the first name only. So I'm mapping the first name only. So last name is not a required field, so you can leave it blank. You can leave the job title, the company name, and all these things blank. Here you can create source in the account. You can select the account or the contact. You can read here, select create source. This describes who added the contact. So if any contact is adding the contact or account, you can select it from here. You can map the mobile number, the phone number. I'm mapping the phone number here from the first tab. So you'll find the phone number here in this drop down. Okay, like this, right? So we are done mapping the details. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request, and we will check if the connection with constant contact is working properly or not. So I'm opening this list, Pabbly list. Okay, and here I have only one contact right now. Let's check our connection. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and you can see this is the response that we have received. Now let's see in constant contact if a contact got added or not. So I'm refreshing the contacts page here. And you can see a new contact with the email address as this and the name as Ranjit is added here automatically. Okay. So this is how it is going to work in real time. And we are done setting up this automation. So guys, you have to set up this automation. You have to make the connections and map the data only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you are going to receive any payment from Razorpay, the customer will going to be added in constant contact. Let me show you a real-time example. Okay. So I am in my Razorpay payment page again, and here I am going to purchase this product again with a different customer this time. So let the customer is Ayush, and let me enter the full name, Ayush Jain. Okay. And here I am putting the email. Okay, and here I'm entering the phone number. This is the phone number, and I'm clicking on pay here, and we are making a demo payment again just to show you the example. Here I'm entering the test card details, the expiry date, the card holder's name. Okay, and I'm clicking on pay here, and from this demo bank page I'm clicking on success. And as and when this payment is going to be successful, this customer who is making this payment is should be added in our constant contact application. Okay, so you can see the payment is successful. Now let me check in my constant contact page if we got the data. I'm refreshing the contacts page again. And here you can see a new contact with the name as Ayush Jain is added here in this list in constant contact. So this automation is working fine, and this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this workflow, I connected Razorpay in the trigger, and with the help of this URL, I set up a webhook to collect a demo payment here like this. And after that, in the actions tab, I connected constant contact application. I mapped the details required to create a contact. And then we have seen the real-time example that the automation was working properly. And guys, the best part is you can use the same workflow, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.